And welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Union South California app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see Union South California app. So if it's not work for you, then you have to follow these steps. Just press and hold it here, then click on this I button. It will open you the app info. Okay, so at here you have to scroll down and go at last at storage. Just click on here, then you have to click on clear data. Just clear it, delete it. Okay, then you can open it again and use it. If it's work, then fine. If it's not work, check for update. Just press and hold it here, go to the same app info, and at the last you will see option as app detail and store. Just click on here, then here you will see the update option. You can update and use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.